Bored in the House, Volume 3 or 4.
Already?
Whatever, man. We bored, man. Yeah, 3 then.
Then do something.
got the TV on blank mode. Just got done watching the movie, man. No cable having that.
You see that?
We don't even know what VO5 is. That's how bored we is, you know.
This nigga.
Yeah, right.
Get that shit out my face, man. Get that shit on my face, man. Yo, I don't have me asking the third time, man. Yo, you got me asking the third time, man.
That nigga fam. Got a nigga.
Fucking.
Got a nigga Hoops F Poppy on the MySpace.
Hi. Why you skip you? Ain't gonna say no. Well, what about Alicia?
Take that in, ladies. Take that in.
They gonna say nothing about the child support?
Fuck that bitch.
Oh, baby.
What about Tracy?
Fuck that bitch. Banana cream pie ass bitch. Bipolar ass bitch.
Tell me you start thinking.
Y'all ladies take that in. That's the first time y'all ever see Hoops F Poppy with his shades on, you know, with the glasses on, you know. Take that shit in. Take that shit in, you know. You ain't gonna never see it again. And me,
You ain't said,
you know.
man, look.
Quit arguing, nigga.
Look.
This nigga always out. Do you hear me?
Yo, get that out my face. Get it out my face.
You ain't gonna say what's up.
Man, fuck whoever is watching this.
Oh,
headache.
you might what? I'll hold on.
Mama might be watching.
I mean, but she want that child support, dog.
So,
You ain't gonna give it to her?
fuck that bitch, man. You ain't getting shit. Call the cops. You know, fuck about that. Ain't even my baby. I knew you was fucking other niggas. Don't fuck with me. You went to that Gucci Man concert last week, and you had backstage passes and left with that nigga in a limo, and the baby mine.
Hell no.
Hell
Hell no. Let that hoe know, fam. See, we saw your ass on the stage clapping that ass. We took pictures, matter of fact. We got that shit locked down. We got this locked down. So we went on Maury. He is not the father. The nose don't look nothing alike.
Y'all know who the father is?
Who the
Who's
father?
the father?
Me, nigga.
That's a shame.
No, actually, I mean, I'm the father. You see the rough patches? Almost balled their stuff on.
I think that crazy bitch outside again.
Oh, shit.
Look, that crazy bitch got past, man. Look, she parked outside. Look. Let's keep this low. And so she parked outside, man.
Parked outside.
She parked outside. Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Go outside.
I told her ass, man. Hey, I got a restraining order on you, man. You're supposed to be 100 feet away from my house. I'm calling the cops. Let's go, man. Let's go. What? Oh, I'm sorry.
Nigga. You ain't got nothing to say to that bitch.
Calling the cops,
So why we out that game?
Man, these hoes be harassing us, man. But that's I'm gonna let y'all take that in. That's Bored in the House, Volume 3. Swag out.
Swagalicious. Fantastic.
I'm out.
Are those out?
Diesel Popo.
Hoops
F Poppy. Get at me. Don't forget the Poppy, or I'm gonna forget your baby.
You gonna really bust
We're out.